everyone, I'm Kristel and Celemin from the Batangas State University, Alangilan Campus, taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from the section 2105.
This video is all about the second summary of the chapter 1. So let's start. So the chapter 1 entitled Exploring the Network. So this is the summary. Networks and the internet have changed the way we communicate, learn, work, and even play. So the network or the internet uh, has a big change for us. So the first is the how we communicate. So we easily communicate to others. So through the social media. So unlike before, so we having a hard time in communicating with others away from us. So now we have the Facebook. So the messenger. So we can uh, easily communicate to others with the use of messenger even they are miles away from us. Then how we learn. So we learn a lot of things through the internet. So if there's things that we didn't know, so we'll just search it in the Google or in other applications. So we can learn from that. Then the work. We are working through the internet. So we can work. So like the online shopping. So it uses the internet for us to have a work. So even uh, the other institutions, so they are using the internet to improve or to innovate uh, their product. Then even we play. So we play different games through online. So there's different games that uses an internet that you play. Networks come in all sizes. They can range from simple networks consisting of two computers to networks connecting millions of devices. So uh, there are many sizes. The first one is the small home network. So it is from the home. So it just connecting a few computers. Then the next one is the small office or the home office network. So it is more computers connected than small to large network. So it can connect more. So it uses in the school than the worldwide network. So it is from the worldwide. So it can connect the different countries. Next one is the internet is the largest network in existence. In fact, the term internet means a network of networks. So it says here that the internet means that it is a network of networks. So it's like a mother of networks. So this is the largest network in existence. Then the internet provides the services that enable us to connect and communicate with our families, friends, work, and interests. So just like I said a while ago, so we easily communicate to our families even away from us. So we can communicate them to them easily and to our friends and to our work. We can use this also in our work then in our interests. So like for example the playing online games. So you will use the internet. The network infrastructure is the platform that supports the network. It provides the stable and reliable channel over which communication can occur. It is made up of network components including end devices, intermediate intermediate devices or intermediate devices, and the network media. So it says here that the network infrastructure is this one is the platform or it supports the network. So uh, it provides a stable, so it means that and reliable channel. So it means that you can use this through the communication. Then It is made up of end devices. So the end devices are the PC, the laptop, the printer, the IP phone, so are the gadgets. Then the intermediate devices are the intermediate devices are the routers, wireless routers, and what else? The switch, the multi-layer switch, just like that. And network media. So the network media are the uh, network media is the copper, wire, the optic cable, and the wireless uh, and the wireless LAN or the wireless. Then networks must be reliable. It says here that the network must be reliable. This means that the network must be fault tolerant, be scalable, provide quality service, and ensure security of the information and resources on the network. Network security is an integral part of computer networking, regardless of whether the network is limited to a home environment with a single connection to the internet or as large as a corporation with thousands of users. No single solution can protect the network from the variety of threats that exist. For this reason, security should be implemented in multiple layers using more than one security solution. So, uh, let's focus first on the fault tolerance. So the fault tolerance is the expectation is that the internet is always available to the million of users who rely on it. So it must be always available. Then the be scalable. Network can expand quickly to support new users and applications without impacting the performance of the device being delivered to existing users. So it must be expandable. So even though uh, it has many users, so it will not impact the performance. Then the provide quality service, also an ever increasing requirement of networks today. So we should provide the quality of service, then ensure, and then the security. Securing a network infrastructure includes the physical securing of devices that provides network connectivity and preventing unauthorized access to the management software that resides on them. So the security is very important. So it must be all layers should have a security. It is for both physical and physical hardware and software. So software you should prevent from the threats that exist. So even though it is just a small network or big network or big corporation, so we just need to need to secure this. Then the network infrastructure can vary greatly in terms of size. So I said a while ago this one, the size, then number of users. So how many user it is, then the number and types of services that are supported on it. The network infrastructure must grow and adjust to support the way the network is used. Uh, so it must be grow and adjust. So it must adjust to support the way the network is. So the way the people use the network. Then the routing and switching platform is the foundation of any network infrastructure. So it says here the routing and switching is the platform that is the foundation. So they are the foundation of any network infrastructure. Then this chapter focus on networking as a primary platform for supporting communication. So, I said a while ago that the internet has a very big part of communication. So before we need to wait for many days just to have the telegram or to give the information to the people away from us. So compared to now, so we can easily chat or give a message to others through the internet using the different social media platforms. Then the next chapter will introduce you to the Cisco Internet Operating System or the iOS, which is used to enable routing and switching in a Cisco network environment. So it says here that the next chapter will introduce us to the Cisco iOS. So that's used to routing and switching in the Cisco networking environment. So thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.